Hello and welcome to video tutorial number 2, where we'll walk through announcing your IASIOS enrollment. In this video, I will cover both internal announcements, which focus on your team members and facility, and external announcements, which reach patients, stakeholders, and the rest of the world. You will find this video tutorial in the Part 2 folder, along with a text-based marketing manual, which has everything you need to promote your enrollment. And there are also 2 types of templates here, one for social media posts and another for press releases. Let's quickly dive into why announcing your enrollment is important. When you share with your facility that you're pursuing IASIOS accreditation, it increases your department's visibility. It also boosts trust and credibility, showing that your interventional oncology team doesn't just perform procedures, but they do so with clinical standardized precision. This ultimately enhances interdisciplinary collaboration and raises awareness about the role of interventional oncology in patient care. So how can you make your announcement more impactful? Start by leveraging your hospital's internal network. Think newsletters, emails, or even displays in patient waiting rooms. Patients, as the ultimate beneficiaries of the standardized procedures, will appreciate knowing the facility is committed to the accreditation journey. For a straightforward approach, simply forward the IASIOS marketing package to your facility's marketing, communications, or PR team. I'm sure they will be very much on board with promoting this achievement. Now, we recommend a few specific steps to make your internal announcement effective. So the first one would be to inform your team. So start by letting everyone involved in your IO service line know about this milestone. Accreditation is a serious commitment, so it's very important for your team to feel motivated and understand its benefits. Step number 2 would be to share with other departments. Let your colleagues in other departments know about your accreditation journey, and when departments communicate with each other about their goals and challenges, it can also foster collaboration, mutual understanding, and respect across the fields. And step number 3 is to make a staff-wide announcement. Make sure to announce this achievement to the whole staff so that the hospital administration is aware of your department's priorities and can celebrate alongside you. For external announcements, utilize every media outlet available to you. So start with a post from your hospital's or department's social media accounts, as well as doctors' individual accounts if it's possible. Include the announcement in the hospital's external newsletter to reach key stakeholders. And finally, consider releasing a press announcement or reaching out to local media, especially if you're one of the first in your country to pursue IASIOS accreditation. It can be very much newsworthy. Now let's look at a few successful examples. So here we have a blog post on the hospital's website, including photos of doctors and their teams to make it more engaging. Here we have a LinkedIn post. Make sure to include the IASIOS seal and tag our profile in order to extend your reach. A press release from IASIOS. You can also publish your own, especially to increase the awareness in your region or country or locally in any other way. And finally, also celebrating your application submission is a great way to mark the significant steps, so feel free to also promote that and post about that on social media, etc. To support you, we've prepared customizable templates for social media announcements. So these templates come with key phrases, messages, and hashtags to help you reach the right audience. Also, if you want to publish a press release, we have a template for that too. So you can simply plug in your details and you don't have to start from scratch. Thank you very much for your attention. This is the end of video tutorial number 2. Be sure to watch the part 3 in this series. We'll talk about the promotional support provided to you by IASIOS in order to make the announcements as impactful as possible. If you have any other creative ideas, share them with us. Forward your ideas to office@iasios.org. Thank you again and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.